Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital, and in this video, I'll show you a simple way on how to build an Equipment Manager app. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below this video to the description and click on the first link you find there. Then you're going to come across this platform, Glide. Glide is a platform that lets you create custom apps without coding. So, after clicking the link in the description, now you need to sign up to Glide. You can choose to sign up with your Google or your email address. Once you have completed the sign up process, you will be directed to your Glide account. Now, creating an Equipment Manager app in Glide is an easy and straightforward process that can effectively help manage your equipment requests and inventory. The first step is to navigate to the left menu on the Glide platform and select the Templates option. This action will bring you to your template page where you can see any existing templates. If you want to access the template store, click on the Template Store option. This will direct you to the templates library. Here, you'll find that the templates are neatly categorized, making it easier for you to browse using the left menu. You also have the option to search for a specific template using the search bar. In this case, since we are looking to create an Equipment Manager app, we will input the keyword equipment in the search bar. The results will display several relevant templates. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will select the Equipment Manager template. Once selected, you will be redirected to another page where there are two options on the right side: Create this app and Preview. We will proceed by selecting the Create this app button, which will lead us to the editor for further customization of the template. After you have customized the app to suit your needs, you are ready to publish it. Click on the Publish button located at the top right corner of the editor to do this. Once published, a Share button will appear in the same location. This button provides multiple options for sharing your app, including a QR code, link, and the ability to invite users via email. And that's it. You now have a basic understanding of how to build an Equipment Manager app in Glide. To get started, simply sign up using the first link provided in the video description. Thank you for considering this option. I hope you found this tutorial useful and learned something new. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up to show your appreciation. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to comment below. I will do my best to respond to all comments and provide helpful answers. Thanks for watching, and take care.